So one of the things I glossed over a little bit in the previous segment was Energy Star and the California Energy Commission and Code of Conduct and all that stuff. They've done a good job addressing the efficiency of the AC to DC supplies. Not so much the AC to AC supplies, or in most cases just a simple transformer. So this is the 40 VA transformer that I had on the bench a minute ago. It's actually in the air handler now. As I mentioned, this is a carrier green speed, so it's like one of the more efficient models that you can get. It's totally variable speed, has a really high SEER rating, and the I forget what the number is, but the heating efficiency as well is actually pretty high. So this is up and running in the system. Everything is pretty exposed, so there's some high voltages in here. Don't try this at home. And that's the board up and running. So with the powering the thermostat, with the HVAC off so that it doesn't suck all my wires into the squirrel cage and chew them up, it's pulling a little over 8 watts with a power factor of 0.278. The thing I did to lower that was, like I said, I did this about a decade ago, and I did it with actually the older HVAC that we had. Was I picked up this more efficient toroid from DigiKey. This is a Triad Magnetics part number VPT24-2080, and if you can see its little schematic here, it's got split primaries and split secondaries. So each leg of the primary can take 120 volts, and then each leg of the secondary is 12 volts AC. So what I did is took this, wired it up to 240 just like the transformer that's in there. The output phase to phase, across the full secondary seriesed up, that goes to the thermostat, and then I took half of a phase here, or just one leg, in other words 12 volts instead of 24 volts, and ran that over to both my alarm system, which uses an AC supply, and the doorbell as well. And I'll put this back in and measure it running just the HVAC so we can compare to this number, and I'll also set it up to run the alarm and the doorbell and see how the totals compare.